So basically, yeah, I bought this last week Saturday for, what's the price? Bought it for $5.29, and it didn't come with none. It just came like this. So I was like, something is telling me to hold off, because what if they sell out because it's Black Friday? Because in my area, trust me, when shit go on sale, it's gone. You can't get it. So I'm like, Mom's like, just wait. I'm like, no, I can't wait. So if it goes out of stock, I have it. I could just return this, get my money back, and then buy it out again. So it says GoPro Hero 7 waterproof HD sports and helmet camera with tripod. So yeah, this came like this, and then I looked in the flyer for the actual Black Friday, and it says it comes with the helmet and everything. I'm like, no, not come with the helmet. I had to buy the helmet separate. It comes with the tripod, which is this. And you see the price right here, right? The same price. I'm like, yo, I don't want. I'm like, I'm going. She's like, no, you can't. Don't just. I'm like, no, I'm going. If it comes with it, and I'm paying $5.29, which is so expensive, I might as well. Not that expensive, but it's expensive. I might as well go back, return, and then get it. So I got it. They were rude. Okay. Well, a sales associate was telling me, okay, I have to go to customer service. I went to customer service. Okay, can you go get it? I'm like, excuse you, you can't come with me? I had to argue today. I'm like, you can't come with me to go get it. I don't know where the stuff is. And the guy's standing there. I'm like, you're wasting my time, whatever. So I'm like, I'll go look for it. I'll go talk to somebody else. So I took my receipt. I want to take the GoPro, but I left it there on purpose to see what they will do. I have to stop that because maybe one day I won't get my thing back. Knock on wood. But there's wood right here. But whatever. So I left it there just to test them to see, you know. So what else? Yeah, I went back. I tried to wait for a sales associate. It wasn't that packed, but it just opened. I got there today at 9:07. It just opened, and then they were cleaning and whatever. So I was waiting for a sales associate. No one's coming back to help me. So I went to the section. I remember last week Saturday I went to the section. I still have to get a case. I seen a case for like I think $60 or whatever. So I was like, this could be there. So I went there. I saw this was the last one, y'all. Last one. I don't know if they have any in the back. They probably do, but remember, like I told you, they don't like to go in the back. I always have to argue. So I was like, it was a little dusty, but I don't care. I'm like, last one, I'm taking it. So it's saying it extends. And then it's like an actual tripod. See, it extends 3 ways, it says. What else does it say on this thing? Let me read it here. Oh, I can't even talk. My voice is graspy again. It says it's a 3-way. And the original price on here, I'm looking, is $100. So technically, it's like I did pay for it. It's a GoPro 3-way camera. It's a grip, arm, and tripod. So it goes like this. Goes like that. And like that. And like this. And that's it, I guess. Oh, there's more. Wait. Basically does that. Oh wait, I'm going back. Okay, so it's like a regular, you know, there. I hope y'all can see this. And then it's going back again. Okay, so yeah, since to this. So I didn't open it yet either. I just got it today. So there's the graphics. This is so hard to do. I wish I could have done it with my computer, but or no, my Canon 7, my GX7. So basically, it does what I showed you. It extends arm grip and tripod, thumb screws. It comes with screws, which is what I hate. So much screws. Like, I am not a man. I know you don't have to be a man, but I'm not a man with all these screws to deal with screw stuff. I used to be a fond of it, but now I'm not. Fond of it, but now I'm not I'm not fond of it. So this is what it does. So long length things. Y'all know yada yada yada. See how it does that? So yeah, I got that. And then I got this last week. This was $40. The guy's like, you just get the Insomnia. Is it Insomnia? He called it Insomnia. Insignia. I don't know, I could be wrong. It's a 5-piece accessory kit for GoPro camera. The essential accessories to capture your next adventure. It features a head chest mount system for easy hand-free operation, tripod mount adapter attaches your GoPro to any standard tripod. It includes head. So any tripod, it says. I have a big long tripod, and I still haven't used it. So sorry that it looks like I'm looking to the left. Like I said, I'm using my ADD camera and the finder's on this side. Okay. So I have like, how many tripods do I have now? I have 3. I have the GoPro tripod. I have this tripod that I'm holding on for this camera. And then I have the big long one. I don't know. I think it's 6 feet. I don't know how much inches is it. Or feet. It doesn't matter. So it says this includes head strap mount with thumb screws. Chest strap mount. Sorry, this says head strap mount with thumb screws. Chest strap mount. I feel like I'm saying chest twice. Let's redo this thing all over. Head strap mount with thumb screws. Chest strap mount. Surface J hook. Tripod mount adapter. Storage pouch. There's a storage pouch. And quick setup guide. Yeah, so this is what it comes up. Oh, it comes a little baggy. So I don't need to buy the box. I can save money. So I'm going to open it. It was already open. And I seen one at the Staples today. Oh, I also bought something from Staples. It's from my friend. She watches my videos. And yeah. I don't want her to know what I bought her. Hopefully she likes this. But yeah, I got a good deal on that too. From Staples. Staples was having a good deal. So it comes with a bag. That's what I can't show you. Yeah, I can't show you the gift I got from my friend because she watches my videos, like I've been telling you. And I want it to be a surprise. Okay? So it comes with a little baggie. That's the bag it says it comes with, right? Storage pouch. This is a storage pouch. Why does it look dirty? I bet you somebody used it. I'm joking, I don't care. It's just good, it comes with a little pouch. But I prefer the box, but that's a waste of money. Then this is the thing. What is this called? I don't know. I really think this is for... No, I don't know what this is for. I think this is for the tripod. Yeah, so I went to Staples today and they had something similar to this, but I didn't end up buying because they said it's final sale. Y'all gotta be careful when you're buying stuff. So yeah. Yeah, I think this is the J whatever. See? In the box it doesn't really show what this thing is. But no, this could be for the head. Yeah, okay, this is the head strap. The head strap is supposed to look like this. Okay guys, like that. I think that's the head strap, and then this hooks onto it, this thingy. Yeah. And it comes with elastic. Y'all see there's elastic, hopefully. I would open it, but I want it to be good for where I'm going. And then this is the chest strap. And it's supposed to look like this. And then they give you this extraness. So this is probably the J hook. I don't know. So yeah, I have tripods, so this can hook. I'm really just happy that I was able to exchange and got my tripod. Like, you need a tripod. You seriously need a tripod. And then I never got warranty last week because the guy who was helping me, he was weird. I'm sorry. If you're watching this, I'm sorry. I don't know if he watches my videos, but he probably will one day. But anyways, he said I don't need to get warranty. Then after, Yeah, he said, basically said I don't need to get warranty because it doesn't protect against. So my camera stopped recording. This is why I hate the ADD. I don't know. Anyways, I'm back. So I never got warranty because he was saying it doesn't protect against damages or whatever. I don't know why. They should, but whatever. The way he was explaining, I don't need it. He's like, it's up to you. You don't need it, whatever. So I was like, no, you know what? I'm going to get somebody else when I come back, which is today. And they're going to explain it to me. So another guy helped me. He said, I'm like, your honest opinion, do you think I should get it? He's like, yeah, because you are going in the water, right? And this is for like outdoor adventures. This could break and blah, blah, blah. So you should get the warranty so it protects you. So if there's a default, the buttons don't work, then you have your warranty. And you could, what did they say? They fix it, or I don't know what he said. Replace it. When I looked online too last week, it says they could fix it or replace it. Well, the other guy was saying, I know it's for vlogging, but it's not really going to help. No, I'm not going to spend $500 something without a warranty. Hell no. So, the warranty cost, I bought the 4-year one. That's the max. And when it comes 3-year, when it comes 3-year or 4-year, this one that I bought. The other ones that don't have this thing on it, the front view camera, whatever that's called, finder, there's only 1 or 2 year. There's no 3 or 4. There's only 3 or 4 for this. I guess because this costs more money, which is smart. So they put back on. When I exchanged it, they put back $469. I don't know why it's $469. That is weird. It says they put back $469.99 on the gift card. No, this is ridiculous. Hold on. I don't know. I think it's the Hero Pro. Cost $469. And then they gave me a store credit of $599.73. Unless. Sorry, I'm trying to think. What? No, I don't need that. What? But it's $529 though. I don't know why it says. They gave me a store credit. I could have got it for cheap. It says $529. See? And then here it says they refunded me $529. But on this receipt, look at all this receipt. I don't need all this. I don't know why the first one is wrong. But anyways, saying it's $469. Oh, they gave me $60 off. Maybe it was on sale today. I don't know. They gave me $60 off. And then for the GoPro, the 3-way, it's $90. $100 I said, remember, and then they took off $40. So they gave me the store credit, whatever. And then all I had to pay left was $282.47 because I also bought 2 additional, I know y'all probably 2 additional ones of these. I don't know, I might return this because I feel like when I record with this on the ADD, the quality is not good compared to the blue one. This is what I first bought. This one is proper, like it's popping, like I come out clear. But when I record with this, it comes out funny. But I already popped this in. When I pop this in, I look the same way as I do with this one. So I don't know, I might just keep it. So the reason why I bought these 2 was $35. I bought these 2 because I was thinking, like, if this, when I open this and it doesn't go on my ADD camera, yeah, use this for my GX7 camera if this doesn't work with ADD, and then use this strictly for ADD. So yeah, it should work because the speed is different. Oh no, it's not. This one's more. This one's 95 MB and this one's 80. So when I was buying this, the guy was helping me sell, so she's like, why are you buying this for? why are you buying that? I'm like, I can't buy. He's like, no. I knew what he was trying to say. So I was like, I'm buying it for my camera. He's like, but that doesn't work. I'm like, doesn't work for what? He's like, no, it doesn't work for the GoPro. I'm like, GoPro, right? He's like, yeah, it doesn't work for the GoPro. So I'm like, what works with it? The cell phone one? And he's looking at me. I'm like, no, the cell phone one, the little chip thingy like this. And he was like, yeah, you know what you're talking about, this one. So I guess, like I said, the guy was helping me last week. He probably knew that it was this on sale, but he wanted to help me and give me this one. So he corrected the price, and then he gave me this. And I said, can you go check if there's more in the back? Because at Costco, this costs $35. Like the same price as... It's the same price. This one costs the same price as this at Costco. So he's like, oh, there's no more. Let me take a picture. So he took a picture and went to the back and he said there's only one. I'm like, no, I want two. So he's like, oh, I forgot. So I said, is there any more? No, there's no more. He only gave me this. Lies. He didn't want to go to the back. So I could have got stocked up more on this. But anyways, yeah. So hopefully this works in my Canon 80D and I can use it. If not, knowing me, I might just keep all of it and be lazy because I got a good deal. I really got a good deal. So I got warranty, yeah. So I have so much stuff to pay back, it's not even funny. Yeah, so I basically finished my Black Friday shopping for myself and for my friends. Thank God I got them. I didn't know what I was going to get my friends. Well, I was already done shopping for my guy friend because, I don't know, for me, I should say, it's easy to get him stuff. Like, I already know what I want to get him and I buy it early because man things cost a lot of money. But anyways, and then my friend who's a girl, I didn't know what to get her. Things came on sale and I bought it. Yeah. So comment down below what you guys liked, what you didn't like, and what else. Comment down below what you guys got for Black Friday. I like Black Friday. My video for today. Y'all comment down below what you liked and you didn't like, and stay tuned for my next videos because I have so much fun for you guys. So much fun. So stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one, okay? Make sure you guys show me your video on what you guys got. Alrighty. Bye, guys.